This question from the chapter surface area volume, it says the internal and external diameters of a hollow hemispherical vessel is 16 centimeter and 12 centimeter respectively. If the cost of painting at the rate of rupees 1, if the cost of painting, that is rate of painting, is given rupees 5 per centimeter square, what we have to find is the total cost of the painting. And here we have to take pi as 3.14. Now check in the figure, I have taken one hemisphere. Let me show you once again. So this is what a hemisphere, look into this figure. So what are the values we have? The internal radius, right? This is the internal radius as you can figure out from here. So internal radius is mentioned as, it is 12 centimeter. Is it diameter? Yeah, it's diameter. So internal radius will be how much? Half of 12, that is 6 centimeter. And it's external, right? This is the external radius, right? And external diameter is 16, then it's going to be 8 centimeter. Now, what we have to find out, yes, the cost. So what we are going to do is, let me make space first. Now, thing which we have to find out, number one, we have to find the inside, right? First of all, it's the inside surface area. If I ask you what is the inside surface area, you'll be talking about the curved surface area, which is inside. And outside surface area will be the curved surface area outside. What all of you actually miss in the exam, that you do not uh, recall that one thing, that here we have one ring also. This area has to be painted because it has thickness. So we'll be finding the area of a ring. So let's say number one, we have to find out the, let me write on the symbol, right? The 6 centimeter is the internal and capital R is 8 centimeter external radius. So first we'll be finding the inside curved surface area. And what is the formula for the curved surface area of hemisphere? It's 2 pi r square. Plus the outside, and has to be 2 pi capital R square, plus area of the ring, which I talked about. This is the ring. And area of a ring is what? Area of a ring is pi capital R square minus small r square. That's the area of the ring. So it should be clear now. Now, what you can see, this is the required surface area of the toy, right? This is surface area of the toy. Now you can see that something, before placing the value, I can see that we can reduce the working if I take these pi as common. You can see that pi is coming common. So I'll take pi as common. So in case if I take pi as common outside, what we get inside here as 2 r small, so r square, 2 capital R square, and plus capital R square minus small r square. Check here. This is the area of the ring. Now we'll solve the like terms here, right? You can see that 2 pi r square on opening the bracket is 2 pi r square minus r square. Should give you how much? Just r square, right? This is r square. And similarly, this is 2 times capital R square plus 1 times capital R square should give you 3 times capital R square. This way we can reduce the calculation. So replacing pi with 3.14, and as I can see, the small r, which is the radius, inner radius, is 6. So I can write 6 square as 36. Plus this is 3 times capital R, and capital R is how much? 8. So 8 square is 64. Now further simplifying, this is 3.14 and this is 36. And we'll be multiplying 64 with 3. So 64 into 3 is 192. And therefore, the final part of this is what? 3.14. 192 plus 36, right, is 288. 228, sorry. So on calculating this, what we are getting is 715, right? This is 715.5 5.92. And what is the unit? Yeah, that's centimeter square. This much centimeter square. But then we have to find the cost, right? We have to find the cost, and the rate for 1 meter square is given. So the total cost will come as what? Let's say if I say that total cost of painting should come as 5 multiplied by this number, which is 315.92. So on multiplying this with 5, we are going to get this as, that's in rupees, right? Should come in rupees, and it is 3579.60. So this should be our final answer in this case.